Hi everyone, Mr. Jorgensen here. I am creating this video to help you better understand this weather simulator. So remember, you should be adding things to your notes organizer based on what I'm telling you in this video and any questions you still have about what I'm explaining. You can pause this video anytime you need to add to your notes organizer. So this sim starts in build mode. You probably noticed the term air parcel. In class, we're going to refer to this as air mass. So this rectangle in the middle of the screen, this is the air mass. The two variables for this air mass are water vapor and temperature. The surrounding air temperature is the temperature of the air around the air mass, but not of the actual air mass. Now, notice when I click and drag any of these blue circles, the numbers change. Each of these variables has a unit. So for water vapor, the unit for water vapor is kilograms. We have a 1 kilogram weight in class that you can look at but not touch to help you get a better understanding of how much 1 kilogram is. The unit for temperature is degrees Celsius. We typically discuss temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. For example, the temperature outside right now is about 50 degrees Fahrenheit. But keep in mind, there's a difference between these two temperature scales. Like 50 degrees Fahrenheit is actually 10 degrees Celsius. If I set this to negative 30 degrees for the surrounding air temperature, negative 30 degrees Celsius is actually negative 22 degrees Fahrenheit. So now, this next part is very important. When you click run mode tomorrow, when you're collecting your data, you need to wait to make sure that the sim is done running. You'll know it's done when the pause button that's going to be displayed up here in the top right, when that disappears and it's replaced with a grayed out play button. So if you end the sim too soon, your data will be severely inaccurate. So now I have set my variables the way I want them to be set. I'm going to go ahead and click run. Notice these yellow arrows here. These yellow arrows leaving the air mass represent energy in the form of heat leaving the air mass. Also notice that I know that this sim is done running now because there is no longer a white pause button. It has been replaced by a grayed out play button. So now that I know that this sim is finished, I am going to click into the Analyze mode. In Analyze mode, you will see a lot of different pieces of data. First, you're going to get data about the air parcel temperature, so the starting air temperature of the parcel of the air mass, the final temperature of the air mass, and the difference between the final and starting air mass temperature. Next, you'll see energy. So in this case, energy was transferred out of the air mass, but it could also be transferred into the air mass depending on the variables you choose. You'll notice over here that the units that is used in this sim for energy is MJ. That stands for megajoules. Just know that a higher number here for megajoules means more energy. Okay, and then lastly we have water. So we have data here about water vapor, liquid water in the cloud, and liquid water as rain, and the amount of rainfall. Also, you can replay this sim if you need. Okay. Thank you for listening to this video. I hope it has helped you understand this weather simulator a bit better.